Obanai. Serpent Hashira without his mask. I never drew this, so he's got that sort of, Joker-like scars on his face. So on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're in 3/4 pose, so we have a small eye and a big eye. It's not that much smaller, but it's just a slight 3/4. So start with his golden sort of eye over this side. So we'll just go here. First, a bit of a diagonal line. And then we will bring it across the top. We want them to be kind of spiky on the end. We'll just darken this up then. His hair does cover a lot of his eyes, so don't worry if you don't finish these ends. It doesn't matter because the hair comes over it. You can erase it afterwards, obviously. And then bottom eyelid line, just typical sort of Demon Slayer sort of shaped eye. All right, and then his golden iris. And he has 2 more lines inside, so you'll just go around again. And then the pupil in the middle of that one. Right, and then, so he's an eyelid line. Just there. And then his eyebrow, so his eyebrow is like behind his hair. So we'll do some of it anyway. We'll just go this way. And then we'll just add a dark portion at the front. But again, his hair covers a lot of this. So his eye is kind of behind what looks like his hair spikes on the other side. So let's say we'll get his nose. So just across from the eye here, just in line maybe with the bottom eyelid, we'll just get his nose in. So it just curves out and then goes back in and down. And then we have a nostril. And then they do this hatching on the bridge of the nose. So his other eye is like in behind hair. So there's some hair that comes down here, but we can just draw it in first maybe. So we'll go this way. And it's a smaller eye, slightly smaller than the other side. It's because it's turned away from us, so we get some perspective. And spike it up. And across. And then the bottom eyelid line again. Boom, 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 boom. Sometimes I think he has like some extra lines around the bottoms of his eye as well. I'm just noticing that now. Right, and then the green eye. So semicircle. He's looking to the left, so it's close to his nose. And then there's another green section inside. You can do it like kind of foggy or hazy, or you can do a circle. So we'll do a circle, and then we have an eyelid line. And then what we can see of his eyebrow will just go. I don't know if you hear that noise. A load of birds have landed on my roof. Loads of them. Just do that, and then thicken up the front. And again, that's kind of underneath his hair. And he's no pupil in here. It's just the thick green eye. Just gotta sort out these birds to get him to go away. Right, so just below his nose, we got his mouth. So we're in 3/4 pose, right? So it's not like right underneath the nose. It's a little bit to the left, like the middle of his lip. So you do a little sort of V for the middle of the lip. And then the back of it goes that way. And then the front side goes there. Now he has like a big crinkled, what can only be described as like a scar, really, coming along that way, and then coming along his face on the other side. And then the shadow underneath the bottom lip, just there. And then we have like lots of scar tissue around this. Like so, and then his chin just below. And then we'll bring this down for his jaw. And then on this side, because we're 3/4 pose, we get his cheekbone. It's not his jaw. So it'll curve in, sort of around his cheek, up into his eye socket. And it'll start to go back out, but there's nothing but hair there, so. Okay, so those long hair spikes, and they're kind of like square. It's like Zenitsu sort of style hair. So this comes along. Over his face. Some on this side. Then over this eye. Down here for the long, so these longer pieces, and then it like comes around the back. So say we go like a little longer piece here, up that way. Back. Go around. Down, kind of flex out there, and then we have some stepped sort of L shapes, sort of, say like a letter L. And then they kind of separate here. Da-da-dum, dum, 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 dum. So there's like a part in his hair here. Bum, 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 bum. And then long pieces just stick out on the other side of his neck here. And And then I think this is just his shoulder sort of coming out there. So that's his hair basically. So we'll get his collar and his neck in. So that's sort of Demon Slayer collar. That's kind of high up under his chin. And then we'll bring it back around. We'll go down. It's got a weight section inside. Some extra lines between those. And I think we can just see a little bit of his neck there. Neck muscles there. And then his other shoulder. So this shoulder, the long one, goes that way. This one goes that way. And then his kimono kind of hangs down over those shoulders there. And of course it is all stripy. So black and white stripes like a zebra. And I guess it's like his arm, his shoulder sort of area there, then they go down and this way, they go down this way. And then we just got sort of his buttons just inside here. Gold buttons, and they sort of normally, they like spiral this way, don't they? Could be wrong, it's probably different in, oh no, I think it's like this in Demon Slayer, isn't it? Not sure. And then we got a pocket here. Boom, boom, and it's just some folding lines. Like so. And that is how to draw Obanai without his mask. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.